Hello everyone, we are going to see about the null and is not null operator. In MySQL, the null and is not null operators are used to filter rows based on whether a column contains null value or not. The null represents a missing or unknown value in a column. Before that, I am going to create a table called student. Now, for that, I am going to give a create table students. Here I am going to give student ID int primary key and name with varchar of 50 and a grade going to give a grade as varchar of 10. If I press this, a table has been created, and now I am going to give a values to the student table. For that I am going to use insert into students and I am going to give a columns names of student ID comma name comma grade and the values of 1 as Aries and the grade as A. Comma 2 as Bob with the grade B. Three and the name as Charlie, and here I am going to give as null and I am going to give 4 and name as David and the grade as C. Here I am going to give as 5 as E and the grade as null. Like this I am going to insert a value. See, I have inserted a value inside a student table. Now I am going to show you about null operator. The null operator is to filter rows where a column contains null values. Now I will show you the null operator syntax. For that I am going to use select column 1 comma column 2 from table name where column name is null. Like that, like this we want to write a null operator syntax. Now I will explain you this. Is null operator. This expression checks if the value of the specified column is null. The column name specifies the column to be checked for null values. Now I am going to show you the code. For that I am going to write select star from students where grade is null. If I press this, see the Charlie whose grade is null and Eve where the grade is null. And next this query retrieves all columns from the student table where the grade column contains null values. Next we are going to see about is not null operator. The is not null operator is used to filter rows where a column does not contain null values. Next I am going to show you the syntax for is not null operator. For that select column 1 comma column 2 from table name where column name is not null. Is not null. This expression checks if the value of the specified column is not null, and column name specifies the column to check for non-null values. Now I am going to show you the code how to write. I am going to select star from students where grade is not null. If I run this, see we are getting grade as A, B, C. Using the null and is not null operator, you can effectively filter rows based on the presence or absence of null values in specific columns, ensuring that your query returns accurate and relevant results. Thank you.